Hi children, let us solve question number 8 of exercise 6b. Children, here there is a person, Mr. Mehra, who is sending his servant to the market to purchase some oranges. Now what is happening, Mr. Mehra has given 15 rupees to the servant and he has asked to purchase a few number of oranges. Now this guy, he goes to the market, purchases the oranges, and while returning back home, he feels hungry, and from those number of oranges, he eats 3 oranges. How many oranges he eats? 3 oranges. Now see children, this guy, Mr. Mehra, he spent 15 rupees to purchase some number of oranges, but for the same value 15 rupees, he is not getting the exact number of oranges which he deserves to get, isn't it? He doesn't get the exact number of oranges which he deserves to get. Now how the story goes on? They have mentioned, since Mr. Mehra is getting 3 oranges less, he is paying 25 paise per orange more than what he had to actually spend. Now children, the second part of the question is a bit confusing. You will find it a bit difficult to frame the equation and even derive the expressions. Okay, even to derive the expressions you may feel a bit confused, but children, I will make it very easy for you. Just look at the board. I have written the required statements for you. The number of oranges the servant bought is equal to X. Children, in the question they have mentioned that you have to assume that the servant, that the number of oranges that the servant is giving Mr. Mehra should be equal to X. It is mandatory. So it is quite obvious the actual number of oranges that the servant should have given Mr. Mehra was 3 more than X. That is X plus 3, isn't it? So here the number of oranges servant bought is X, and the expected number of oranges which Mr. Mehra should have got should be X plus 3. Okay, now see children, the actual cost of one orange should be how much? 15 divided by X plus 3. 15 is what? The total money spent. X plus 3 is what? The actual number of oranges that Mr. Mehra would have got. So the actual cost of one orange should be 15 divided by X plus 3. Now, after eating 3 oranges, when the servant is giving the remaining oranges, that is X number of oranges, to Mr. Mehra, what would be the cost of one orange? That would be 15 divided by X, because 15 is the money which the servant spent, divided by X is the actual number of oranges which the servant is giving the owner or Mr. Mehra. That is the reason I have written, after eating 3 oranges, cost of one orange is equal to 15 divided by X. Now see children, the difference in the cost of one orange can be taken as 25 paise, because Mr. Mehra was supposed to spend 15 rupees on X plus 3 oranges, but he is spending 15 rupees on how many oranges? Only on X number of oranges. So the difference or the more amount of money which he is spending on one orange is how much? 25 paise, otherwise 1 by 4 rupees. Now see children, how to frame the final equation. 15 upon X minus 15 upon X plus 3 is equal to 1 by 4. Why? Because 15 upon X is the money spent by the servant for one orange on X number of oranges, isn't it? And 15 upon X plus 3 is the cost of one orange if he had bought all the X plus 3 oranges for this owner. So the difference between these two is equal to how much? 25 paise, because definitely when the owner is not getting the actual number of oranges, it indirectly tells you that he is spending more money on the oranges. Correct? So that is the reason I have written 15 upon x minus 15 upon x plus 3, which is equal to 1 by 4. And finally, when you simplify this equation, you will get this quadratic equation x square plus 3x minus 180 is equal to 0. Very easy to solve it by using the factorization method, children. Just give it a try. I hope I am clear with this explanation part. I'll just repeat it the next 1 minute. Children, the servant is purchasing only X number of oranges, whereas the actual number of oranges should have been X plus 3. Okay? So when the owner is not getting the actual number of oranges which he deserves, it indirectly means that the owner is paying some extra money. How much is that extra money? 25 paise per orange. Now let us find out what is the difference between the cost of X oranges and X plus 3 oranges. That difference is equal to how much? 25 paise. That is the reason I have written 15 upon x minus 15 upon x plus 3, which is equal to 1 by 4. I hope you understood. Please do comment, children, if you have any doubt in the way I explained it. I will try to explain it some other way. Okay? Thank you.